あーちゃん、何の音？
ちょっといいところについちゃったよね。
どこなんだろう？見せて。みんなに見せて、ここは、ブランドンコントロールモーターズの秘密基地です。初めて来てます。ね、スティーブさん、面白いのはこの中にあるので、よかったらっていうことで、見に来ました。
なんか面白い音。まあ分かる人は分かると思うけど。
あ、じゃあちょっと中に入りましょう。中に。
おお、もう
これはもうショップの匂いだよ。ショップの匂い。ほら、あちゃん見せて。おスーパー。見てこのショップ。この車すごいよ。
JDM パラダイスだよ。
すごい。日本車好きにはこれはたまらんだよね。Hey, Brandon, that's you in there.
Yeah, it is.
What's up, man?
You know, just lifting.
Jesse, we heard you before we saw you. I got to tell you, that's a pretty good sound right there.
Yeah, no, it's getting there.
Oh man, what do we got going on this thing? What kind of what you got here power wise?
Just a single turbo.
Just a single turbo swap. Oh, that's okay. We'll give you
Only.
Only.
Beginning stage. So we're getting...
It's beautiful, man. Black, tan, manual trans.
Smells good.
Woo! Smells great. Ooh, what a beauty, man.
Fat pipe.
Yeah. Let's check out this nice dyno he's got here. This is awesome to see. We love this little secret location of yours, man. Glad we got to see this. So cool.
Out in the middle of nowhere, just like you like.
Love it. We kind of like the middle of nowhere too.
No neighbor complaints.
Yeah, exactly. Hey kid, check out some of the cars that we're in.
なんでこんなに深いの？
こうね、本当に下の下にあるんだよね。
なんかブロワーかなんか
すごいよね。
つけられるよね。
LS のエンジン、こんなにこれ LS だろ？
そうだよね。
LS をこのインターネット、これレアのトラックだよ。
これをボディを上げたの？
ボディを上げたんじゃなくて、サブフレームと下のフレームの方を完全にカスタムしたんで、
だからこんなに深く？
もう下の人、ウェイトの方はやっぱり
あれ見た、フラーリの488みたい。
見て、フレームの間に入る、上にじゃなくて間に入ってるんだよね。
まあこんなにワイドという意味だよ。
ピックアップトラックでということだよね。すごい。すごくいいんだよね。
まだローブーストだから。
ローブーストだよね。
始まったばかなのでね。
だよね。これからだろうと思うんだけど。すごいショップだよね。いろいろあるんだよね。チューニングからいろんなプロジェクトからまで。でもすごいのはある。何どうした？ちょっと待って。何見つけたの？奥の奥に。あれ？
言ってたよね、俺。86解体動画に。
何次の86に青車は
見せるか？
うん。
じゃがだん。
かっけえよ、あっちゃん。これはシルビアだろ？
これ240だよ。
SX だよ。で、シルビアと違うの。
S14。
S14 だろ、
うん、
シルビアでしょ？
そうだよ。
結局は。
そう。
S14 でしょ。パープルだよね。
ちょっと
ブランドのショップに。
ちょっと周り見てみよう。
うん。ちょっとブランドがあっちで忙しいから、ちょっと覗かしてもらおうか。あら。
いい色ね。
程度いいよね。これブランドの車なのかな？あれ、サンルーフも入ってるって。こういう、純正なの？こういうの。
見たことないよ。
純正なのかなこれは。見た
中から
ことある？レアなのそれは。なかなかエンジンがなさそう、ミッションもなさそうだけど、これなかなか。
見てこれ。
あれ、
バンパーも。
そういえばあちゃん、パパあまり詳しくないんだけど、ほら元アメ車好きなので、これってほら FC86、もしかしてこのシルビアも S14 っていう車もあれなの？なんかセットみたいな。
違う。
全く関係ない。
FD。
あ、そうだよね、時代的に。
もう次の時代だよ。
次の世代のあれなんだよね。でもこれはすごい人気な車でしょ。
FD スープラと
バークボスープラ。
うん
とこれ
FD とシルビア。
じゃあ今持ってる車の次の世代なんだけど、これ貴重なものだよね。これは
ちょっと周り見てみよう。
ちょっと一周して。いい考えがあった今。
ヒールバンパー、これ後期だよね多分。
そうかな。
ヘッドランプから見てなんか
前期じゃなくて、
ごめん
前期だろ。
ごめん、俺日本語わかんない。俺前期ね、95年なんじゃない？このヘッドランプ見ると。でなんかもうドリフトされてるんじゃない？これなんか
になってたんだよな。
このバンパー取れるし、この違うフィールだけじゃなくて、これってアングルキットっていうの。キャンバーがね、
ここからは見れるの？開けてみた。ほら。ほら入ってるんだよね。
車高調が入ってるね。
車高調が入ってる。エンジンがないけどアングルキットがあるんだ。
ここはアングルキットは
HID のヘッドランプも入ってるしね。
入ってるね、アングルキット。だからすごい外から後ろより出てるの、フィールが。
なるほどね。だから
そうで、ちょっと周り見てみよう。色もいいの。
色はいいよ。
サイドもついてるし、
これドリフトに
もともとワイドなのよ
ね。バッテリーがちゃんとトランクルームに持ってるし。元の色はこれだったんだけど、紫はかっこいいよね。
サビもないね。
錆びてないな。あとこれほらかっこいい。これ後ろじゃない？後ろだよね。紫にゴールド。かっこいい車だったんだよね。もったいないんだよね、ここにあるのは。
ね、なんでここにあるんだろう。でちょっとこれ、
いやでもお客さんの車なんじゃないの？違う、これからメンテナンスとか修理とかするんじゃない？
そうかもね。
いつかずっと前から何言ってたの？あっちゃんは
シルビアって言ってたよね。
言ったんだよね。なんか意味あるの？ここにあるっていうことはちょっと
あるかもね。
ブランドに。
でもこれ見ると、これ後期のテールだよ。
これあれ
どうなってんの？
後期のテールに前期
の車に後期のテール。
実際にどうなってるの？ブランドに聞いてみようか
ね。
お客さんの車だったら仕方ないんだけど、ブランドの車だったら。
でも多分この中ほとんど彼の車なんじゃない？彼の秘密基地だから。
そうだな。ちょっと相談してみよう。まずはね。ブランドが忙しそうなんだけど、ちょっと
聞かないとね。
Hey Brandon, you busy man? Oh, hey bro. Sorry to bug you, dude. By the way, beautiful Supra, man. That is.
It's getting there.
Where are we going horsepower with this thing? Where's this thing heading?
We're shooting for like the 5 range.
Woo!
That's a good amount.
By then.
Nice, man. Nice. That's a customer's car?
It is.
Do a lot of cars? You got a nice selection of cars here. Are all the cars here customer cars, or?
I mean, it's like half and half. So some personal, some customer, some storage.
We walked all the way around. We came across that car just way back there in the corner over there. That purple one. It looks like a. Is that a? We're kind of confused by it. You want to explain to us about that car a little bit? Because
it's
really interesting.
97. It was a Kuki with the Zinky front end.
So you got the Zenki front end with it, and I'm going to teach you some Japanese right now. Ready? You're going to be advanced. A lot of guys say kooky, just like you said.
Oh,
I want to teach you the proper way, right? Because you're my pal, and I want you and all the guys in Japan are going to appreciate that it's not kooky, koki.
Koki. See?
The cookie sounds cool though.
Cookie does sound good. It's easy to remember.
I like
But
Koki.
you know what? You're my friend. You're part of the Team Japan right here. Team Steve's VOB. Koki. So Brandon's going to be able, next time nobody will ever understand what Brandon's saying to him. Right? You have to go back to the cookie anyway, but I want you to know proper
Yeah, no, I'm
pronunciation
gonna
is
use it from now on. I'll be cooler than everyone.
You will. And you can quote me, I gave you the crown for being cool, because you're the only American guy who'll have the proper pronunciation now.
Perfect, because I don't think I've ever heard anyone say it right.
Nobody does say it right. We just let it pass, but because I like you, I'm telling you. It's
Fair
cool.
enough.
So, okay, so we got it's a Zenki front end with the...
It was a kooky VIN number.
Okay.
With a kooky
Koki.
front end. Now it
Right.
has the Zinky front end. That's why
Okay.
it's got the kooky tail light. Koki tail light. See, look, I was already slipping.
You slipped into it. Well, so what's the deal with this car, Brent? Is this yours?
So it was our shop drift car. It had RB25 Neo into it.
Okay.
We got it from someone that blew the trans out of it, like exploded the bell housing. We ended up fixing it.
Okay.
And got it up and running, threw a NIS tune in it, and tuned it on E, and had fun with it for a good year.
So you drove this car, you drifted this car, and had fun with it?
Mm-hmm. It's
Interesting.
got full angle kit, coilovers.
It's a nice looking
everything.
car, man.
It's not bad, yeah. You could use a little TLC.
They all can.
Yeah,
Can't
it's
say they all
240.
can.
I mean, you can't have a perfect one.
So, I don't know if we ever kind of discussed further playing. You know, the SDI, obviously, thank you for everything with the SDI, for storing it, for tuning it, for keeping it nice for us, for just doing everything you've done for you, your mom. I mean, everybody at Controlled Motors has been so nice to us from day one, man. So thank you.
Yeah, no, it's
thank
been
you
a
for
pleasure.
everything,
We
man. We
appreciate
love
you,
you and your mom, everybody. I mean, you guys are awesome. But still, the kid is kind of getting... Well, it's funny, right? The young guys usually like the newer stuff. My kid's going away from the newer stuff, getting back to the older stuff. And I'm happy about that being his dad.
That makes him smarter. You know?
You're right. I got to tell you, I'm going to say, he's going to be a little embarrassed. The kid's been talking about eventually next car, S14. S14. He wants to build something cool, right? Looking at this car and listening to your story, I don't know, would this be a car maybe, just maybe, you would consider selling or moving on to somebody like the kid and me?
Only for you. I would consider letting it go. I mean, I'm always down to move on. You know, we're always adapting, like trying different things. So it's time for someone else to try it.
Should we stop rolling here and try to work a little negotiations with Brandon right now on this car and see if we can't take it home? More than that, you know what? I don't want to take it home. We want you, if we bought this car from you, you would have to agree to one thing. To work together with us, even though we're in Texas, to come up with a plan to get an engine and a drivetrain into this car, build something fun that the kid and I can have some fun with in Texas Drive, but also drift and play with. Would you be willing to do that with us as a
100%.
project?
That sounds great. I won't sell it to you unless you do that.
Hey, you know what? And I don't think we'd want to buy it unless you were the guy involved in getting this car, making it a cool, awesome car for us too.
Well,
So
let's cut the cameras right now and
let's cut all the BS. Turn it off.
We'll be
See
right
if
back.
we can't strike a deal. Be right back. Guys, off camera, we just worked a deal. It's between us. This is a gentleman's deal we put together. It's a fair deal for everybody. More than anything, we're going to leave this car here with Brandon right now, Controlled Motors. We're going to discuss going forward the right engine, the right trans, the right setup for this car. And then Brandon's going to put it in here. And about the time he's ready to get this thing fired up and put it on that dyno and place it where that nice Supra is in there right now, I have a feeling me and the kid are going to be coming back, getting with you, starting this thing up, and then making her way from Atlanta to her new
I might have
home.
to drive it here a little bit.
Well, after driving it, of course.
Yeah,
But
we'll take it sliding around here. I know some good spots.
I'm coming back for that. We're both coming back for that. Brandon, as always, man, I'm glad that the end of the Subaru didn't mean that that's kind of, not the end, but, you know, now with this thing, we have more reason to stay in good touch, to
Relationship
come back here and
continues.
keep building our relationship together and doing more and more. And guys, that's what it's all about, guys. It's not these, you know, I mean, it's long-term. It's long-term stuff. We met Brandon over the STI. Look, we're going to now go into a project like this. And who knows going forward what other type of stuff we can do together. All I know is that more than anything, underlying it is a good friendship, good people, you, your mom, everybody works for you. Just everything, man. It's a great feeling. We're really honored to have met you. And guys, I told a lot of people already, the new STI owner is definitely coming here. But if you're not in Atlanta, if you're anywhere in the Southeast or anywhere and you want a good, honest guy in a clean shop, nice people to take care of you, work on your cars, tune them like we did with the STI and we're going to do with this, I highly, highly recommend you check out Controlled Motors. Really love this guy. And really, we're honored to
We are.
to be here and to be with him. Thank you, man.
We really
Thank you so much.
appreciate you, Steve. This has been great.
Dude.
Good relationship. I'm having a lot of fun.
Awesome. That's what it's about. Let's have fun while we enjoy our cars. Let's respect everybody in the car community. Everybody's different. Everybody has differences, but you know what? There's so many good people out in this community, no matter what part of the country or the world they're from, that matter. That much I've learned in traveling around. And this is a good one right here, guys. So, thumbs up always. And I guess we'll be talking to you soon about an engine.
And leave a comment on what engine we should put in.
Oh yeah, guys.
But no
give us some
LS.
input. No LSs. No LSs. They were staying Japanese, and we'd like to stay Nissan, true to Nissan form too. Okay, I just think
That
that's
kind of narrows
cool.
it down right there.
Okay, so they got the couple
there's
choices.
There's a few Nissan motors out there. There's more than one.
What would you guys do? Let us know.
We'll
We're gonna
see.
discuss with Brandon. We're gonna come up with a decision together. In the meantime, kid, what time's our flight leave?
Pretty
Soon. We better get going.
Yep.
Great seeing you.
Yes, sir.
Man, say hi to Mom. Say hi to everybody in the shop.
I will.
Controlled Motors, Alpharetta. Brandon's the guy. Tell him Steve from Steve's POV sent you. You won't regret it. Tell you. Thumbs up. よかったな、ちゃん。
でも次会った時
これからも楽しみだ
にちょっと違うよね。
多分変わると思うので、次会った時にね。それも楽しみです。
でもみんなコメントに残してね、何のエンジン。
エンジンはどうしようかなどのことをコメントに残してね。そして新しいプロジェクト、これからどんどんいろんなプロジェクト進めていきますので、付き合ってね。最後までよろしく。タムズアップ。やって。いつも失敗するから俺が。
ここじゃない。
あ、そっか、そこだ。あ、よろしく。